Have you ever looked at a simple piece of wood and thought, someone would actually pay money for this? Well, here's the truth. People are paying good money for simple handmade wood items every single day. Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, local craft fairs, these places are full of small woodworking projects selling for $40, $70, even $100 or more. And the crazy part? Many of those projects take less than an hour to make. So in this video, I'm going to show you two simple woodworking projects you can start making today, even if you're a beginner with basic tools that you can realistically sell this month for profit. And stick around until the end, because I'll also show you where to find hundreds of beginner-friendly woodworking plans that make starting even easier. Let's get started. Project number 1, rustic wooden candle holders. The first project is something that sells extremely well in the home decor market, rustic wooden candle holders. These are incredibly popular because they fit perfectly into farmhouse, rustic, and minimalist interior styles. And the best part? They're ridiculously simple to make. All you need are small wood blocks, around 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 inches, cut to different heights. A common set includes 3 pieces, short, medium, and tall. Once cut, lightly sand the edges to keep that handmade look. Then drill a hole on top sized for a tea light or small candle. That's it. You can finish them with a natural oil, a dark stain, or even leave them raw for a reclaimed wood look. Now here's where the profit comes in. Instead of selling them individually, you sell them as a set of 3. Handmade candle holder sets like this often sell online for $40 to $80, sometimes more, depending on the finish. Your material cost? Sometimes just a few dollars, especially if you use scrap wood or reclaimed pallet wood. That's why these are perfect for beginners who want to start earning from woodworking quickly. Project number 2, rustic wooden picture frames. These are constantly in demand because people love decorating their homes with photos, artwork, and prints, but they want frames that look unique and handmade, not mass-produced. To make one, you simply cut 4 wood pieces at 45-degree angles, glue and clamp them together, and attach a backing board. Even basic tools can handle this project. You can use inexpensive wood like pine, or better yet, reclaimed wood, which gives the frame incredible character. Light sanding, maybe a stain or matte finish, and suddenly you have a beautiful handmade frame. And here's something interesting. Standard sizes like 16 by 20 frames can sell for $60 to $100, especially when they have that rustic handcrafted appearance. If you create collage frames with multiple openings, those can sell for $140 to $200. And again, the material cost is low, especially if you're using reclaimed wood. That's why small decor items like this are some of the most profitable beginner woodworking products. Why these projects work so well? There are 3 big reasons these projects sell consistently. First, they solve a decor problem. People always want to improve their living spaces. Second, they look handmade. That rustic, imperfect charm is exactly what buyers want. And third, they're easy to ship and display, making them perfect for Etsy, craft fairs, and online marketplaces. You don't need a $10,000 workshop to make things people love. Sometimes all it takes is creativity, simple tools, and a weekend. Want 16,000 woodworking plans? Now, if you were thinking, okay, this is great, but what else could I build and sell? There's actually a massive collection of over 16,000 step-by-step woodworking plans. It includes beginner projects, furniture, home decor, outdoor builds, basically anything you can imagine building with wood. Many people use these plans to start side businesses or simply build projects for their homes. If you want to check it out, there's a link in the description below. Take a look and see if it sparks your next project idea. Final thought. The biggest mistake most people make with woodworking is waiting until they feel ready. But the truth is, you don't need a perfect workshop. You don't need expensive tools. You just need one simple project to start. Build it, improve it, sell it.
And before you know it, your weekend hobby might turn into a real side income. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more simple woodworking projects you can build and sell, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, hit the like button. It really helps this video reach more DIY makers like you. And if you know someone who loves woodworking or DIY projects, share this video with them. Who knows? It might inspire their first profitable woodworking project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.